Welcome back, folks. So I've come out tonight, no camping, going to do a bit of cooking. I'm also going to make myself the espresso coffee. So this is from Outin, portable cordless espresso coffee machine. Did a wee review video of this. This really is a fantastic wee bit of kit. So I'm not going to get through it, very simple to work. Now that I've used it a couple of times, I don't actually know how it works. But we're going to do a bit of cooking. I'm going to do, tonight, I'm going to have some curry, but with a wee twist to it. But first things first, let's get a coffee, or an espresso. So what this really is, it's an ingenious bit of kit. So I've got the ground coffee there. Like I said in the review video, you can actually use this with these coffee pods as well. I'm not going to use the coffee pod because I don't have any. So very, very simple. Still kind of comes apart. Put the coffee into it and ready to go. So I've been doing a lot of kind of different videos lately. Review videos, camp videos, paddleboarding videos. I've just been trying to mix it up. So comment below it if you folk like it when I mix it up, or would you rather just see more camping. Obviously you can't be out camping all the time, even though I'd love to be out camping. But you know what it's like, it's just finding the time a lot of the time, isn't it? Right, boom. Scrape off the excess. Just like that. Right, pops in. Screw it back into the bottom. Oh, nearly dropped the whole lot there. Oh. Right, we'll finally get there. Screw it on tight. Don't need that section. Pop that on there. Fill it up with a wee bit of water. Press the button. And a few minutes later, we've basically got a wee cup of espresso. We'll probably have a couple of these tonight. Like I say, don't go away because I'm going to cook something. Some of it I've pre-prepped, but I kept saying I was going to do some of these kind of easy camp cooking videos, so I just thought, right, tonight I'll come out and do one. Again, some of it I have prepped before I come out, but there's no harm in that. You could make all of it making out in the middle of nowhere, to be honest. But sometimes, especially on a weeknight, when working all day, you just want to basically get out to the woods. Right, so that's it. Put the water in, put the coffee in, and then it literally is just a case of press the button. Right, and then you hear it kind of buzzing, and then it's literally just a case of let that water boil. We'll soon have a espresso. Right, where are we? Blabbering on here. So we're gonna, I just thought I'd come out, set the hammock up. It's like sometimes it's just nice just to come out into the woods and relax. Oh, there's a lot of bloody crows about here. Can you hear those crows? I'm only joking. So I'm gonna have that coffee first before I do anything. Prep the wood. Also need to get the fire on. I've kind of set up that roller grill. Obviously we use that a couple of times as well. It's just kind of quite handy. Keeps the fire up off the ground. It's almost like a kind of mini fire pit basically. Obviously it's got the grate in the top. I can basically set the pan on. I've actually got a few different pans and I've still to actually kind of test out, but I'm going to try and keep them more for when I go proper camps. Tonight I've just got I was going to say the Ridge Monkey, but it's the TF grill, same thing as a Ridge Monkey. Just a really handy, and for what I'm cooking tonight, it's kind of perfect for my needs. So, what are we doing? First things first, we'll get a wee fire on, then we'll prep the food that we're having. Oh, in fact, well, what we'll do first is we'll wait for that coffee boiling, drink that, then we'll put the fire on, then we'll do a bit of cooking. So you've probably listened to the first few minutes of this video, me just yapping away, but don't go away because the best is yet to come. So that buzzing noise is basically a wee espresso popping into the cup. So I'll have a nice wee hot espresso just directly. Oh yeah. That's us. There we go. Cheeky wee espresso. Cheers. It's absolutely roasting. A wee Colombian roast. Very nice. So the Italian connection, next time out with Marco and Billy. I'm quite sure they'll love this. He has actually got one of these wee, what are they called? Is it a mocha? What are these? I can't remember what they're called. It's the wee one you put on top of the stove and it percolates the coffee. But this is 21st century stuff. Oh, that's lovely. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I must admit, see like a real coffee with real proper kind of ground beans, etc. I'll also need to get Johnny out. Johnny's got one of these wee coffee grinders with real coffee, so I'll need to try that in it as well. I'm going to drink this and then we'll get the fire on. So what's cooking? Right, the plate is the Capulca, that's the Capulca, one of the Capulca plates. Let's see, prepped most of this, so I've got excuse the beeping. I've got a packet of tortilla wraps. I've got a Malay, I think it's Malay chicken with yellow rice. Malay chicken curry, bit of tin foil, good to go. So remember, I'll try and put the recipe. There's a wee bit of potato in it as well. Right, then you get the yellow rice. Oh, this is going to taste immense. The juices, lovely stuff. Right, and then what we'll do is, it's almost like a curry burrito. Right, probably actually put way too much into these. I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, and all I'm going to do is we're going to whack it into some tin foil. Wrap that round. Do that with both of them. So that's a good thing sometimes when you pre-prep. Especially that way. You've got as much to do once you get to your camp spot. So that's that. Let's get the fire on. Let's see, I've just got this Yoler grill with me tonight. So all I'm going to do is set a wee bed. Cheating with a bit of, what do you call it, firelighter. But just nice and easy. Just to get our fire started. I'm just going to take that off. Fire on, what I'll do, let that kind of burn down a wee bit. Just so I don't want to put it on too high a heat. I always find you end up burning stuff when you do that. So we'll let that kind of take hold. Let it kind of burn down more to kind of like coals. And then we'll whack on those, what did I call them? Curry burritos. I kind of come up with this idea. I don't know anybody else, but maybe you see all these videos just now. Folk with air fryers. These air fryers, you can cook just about anything in them, can't you? So I keep seeing loads of folk just making things in the air fryer, but I've seen loads of folk putting all different things into wraps, sticking it in an air fryer. But we're out in the woods, we don't have an air fryer, we don't have any electricity, so I thought I'd do it a bit different, cook them over the fire. So hopefully they'll taste pretty good. So put the two of them in there, close that up, whack it on. Right. Oh, hot. Let's see what I like. Looking good. Oh, looks good to me. Oh. Tinfoil stick to that in. Yep, I'd say they're good to go. Oh yes. Taste test time. Looking good. So Malay, sure it's Malay, chicken, potato curry, yellow rice, lovely stuff. Right, I'm going to scoff these, or I'll bring you back. Oh, very nice indeed. So now that I've had that, I think I'll have another wee espresso. What a great wee machine. Cheers. Oh, roasting. Oh. So, nights are drawing in, aren't they? It's getting darker earlier now, so it won't be long till we'll be cooking in the dark. Then if I'm doing any cooking videos, I'll need to get I think it'll be soon time to get the hot tent out. Hot tent with burning stove, my light inside, Do a bit of hot tent cooking. Oh, that coffee really is nice. So, just another wee short video, cooking in the woods. Another wee easy recipe. You could basically stick anything in that, in a wrap. You really could. And I always think wraps are very versatile if you're out camping, because you can cook everything. You can put cheese in them, you can put salami, you could put chicken in them, you could basically chuck just about anything in a wrap, can't you? Curry, rice, you name it. Nice and simple camp cooking. So I'm probably just going to call it a day for this video, just a wee short one. If you liked it, leave a comment. Even leave a comment, any ideas what could be stuck in a wrap. What do you think would be good in a wrap? And we'll try and give a few of them a bash. But as ever, thanks for watching, folks. If you don't mind, hit the like button as well. Always appreciated if you leave a comment. I do try to reply to them all. If you've not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Hit the wee bell for future notifications. We'll catch you in the next one. Adios.